Hey Baylor family, my name is Nick Madincea. Follow along with me today and get a day in the life of being Baylor Student Body President. Sick 'em!
So starting our morning by meeting my small group for prayer in the morning. Here we meet every Thursday morning, and this is our group through Highland Baptist. Absolutely love these boys. Always great to start the morning off in prayer. Next, I'm going down to our office. One of the perks of this job is being able to office out of the sub, and also, of course, grab some good common grounds. Starting our morning off with some emails, making sure everything is ready for our big speech later tonight with President Livingstone, and running off to class. So I'm a double major in economics and finance, and this is actually my environmental economics class. Grabbing lunch, coming across campus to Pat and Neff to meet with the provost. The provost is honestly one of my favorite people on campus, and her and I have been working on some big projects together for our student body. I'm definitely going to miss her next year when I graduate. And had to run over to the Slick to go meet with our vice president for student life. We meet about once a week for different things going on campus. And next up, we have our options, futures, and derivatives class. If you're looking at this going, man, what does that mean? I kind of wondered the same thing myself, but I love this professor, Professor Garvin. He's so nice. Had to work on my short game really quick before running over to the union and making sure we had all of our supplies for our town hall tonight with President Livingstone. It was really a blessing to host her. This is actually the first time she's been to student government since COVID. We also were able to see our student senate in action. Our student senate gave away over $70,000 tonight and allocated that to a couple different things on campus. Lastly, it's about 10 o'clock now, reading through each bill that the student senate passed and physically signing them so that way those orgs can get that funding, and that can make our campus a little bit better. Clocking out, making sure I pay my respect to the Immortal 10. It's a great day to be a Baylor Bear.